Top signs: it's time for a window installation in Sanford. Your windows play a huge role in keeping your home safe, energy efficient, and comfortable. But over time, even the best windows can start to break down, leaving you with higher energy bills, drafts, and an outdated look. If you live in Sanford and are wondering whether it's time to replace your windows, here are some clear signs to watch for. 1. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed that your heating and cooling bills keep climbing, your old windows might be to blame. Worn-out windows let outside air in and your conditioned air out, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Modern energy-efficient windows have better insulation and advanced sealing, which can help you save money on utilities each month. 2. Drafts and temperature swing. Feel a chilly breeze when you walk by your windows, even when they're shut. That's a sign they're not sealing properly. Drafts make it harder to keep your home at a steady temperature, which can be frustrating in Sanford's climate. New window installations can keep those drafts away and help maintain a consistent indoor environment. 3. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, jam, or refuse to close all the way can be more than annoying. They can be a safety issue. Over time, frames can warp or hardware can wear out, making windows hard to operate. New windows slide and lock smoothly, giving you peace of mind and making it easier to get fresh air whenever you need it. 4. Noticeable damage or decay. Wood rot, cracked glass, or water damage around the window frame are clear red flags. These problems don't just look bad, they can also let in moisture, pests, and mold. When you spot these signs, replacing the window is usually a smarter investment than trying to repair it repeatedly. 5. Outside noise getting louder. If you live near a busy street or in a noisy neighborhood, you might notice that your old windows do a poor job of blocking out sound. Modern window installations often feature double or triple panes with special sound dampening technology, so you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home. 6. Fading furniture or flooring. Older windows often don't have UV protection. Over time, sunlight streaming through them can fade your carpets, furniture, and even hardwood floors. New windows are built with UV-resistant coatings that help protect your belongings from the harsh rays of the sun. 7. Outdated style. Sometimes it's simply about looks. If your current windows are outdated or don't match the rest of your home's exterior, a new installation can instantly improve curb appeal. Modern window styles offer more design choices and can give your home a fresh, modern appearance that fits your taste. 8. Moisture between the panes. If you see fog or condensation between the layers of glass in double or triple pane windows, the seal has likely failed. This means the insulating gas has escaped, and your window is no longer energy efficient. Replacing the window is the best way to restore its performance. The bottom line: your windows are a vital part of your home, and ignoring their problems can lead to bigger headaches down the road. If you see any of these signs, it may be time to consider a window installation in your Sanford home. Replacing your old windows can make your home more comfortable, energy efficient, and attractive, and that's an investment worth making. If you're ready to explore your options or have questions about window installations, a local Sanford window professional can help guide you through the process. With the right team and high-quality products, you'll enjoy a better-looking, better-performing home in no time.